All right, Peaches and Regalia by Frank Zappa off the Hot Rats album. We're going to start out like this. Okay, so what we had is a B bass note, and then we're going to have a D chord down here. And this is a C sharp minor chord, B minor, A, back to the B minor, and then E. So we got 12, 11, 10, 10 for the D. You got 11 and 9s, C sharp minor. You got 9 and 7s for the B minor. You got another A, you got a major shape here, 7, 6, 5, 5. Back to the B minor, to the E, 7, 9, 9, 9. Okay, we do that 4 times, so we got 2, 3, 4. Okay, sometimes I just throw in that, like, you don't need to do that necessarily. And then the next part is going to be. Okay, so that was 9 down here in the D. 6, 7, 9, kind of a slide there, 7 to 9 on the G, so 6 to 7 on the D. Then we're going to go down to the G string. So we have 7, 7, 9, 7. 10, 9 on the D. And that's 10, 9, 7, 10, 10, 7. And then you could add this little riff. That's a little hammer from 8 to 9 on the G. 5 to 6 to go back into it. You could also do this riff down here in the 4, 2, 3, and 5. Okay, but we'll keep it here for now, so let's try that again. 2, 3, and. Okay, then we're going to get into some chord hits. We're going to go. Okay, so that's our little section there. So this is a B minor chord. We got 9, 7, 7. That's a B power chord down there. So, and then we're gonna go 4, 2, 1 down here to the 2s of an A chord. Then we're gonna go to this A chord here, 7, 6, 5. So we got, and that was a B minor to a C sharp minor. And then we're gonna go. That's a D minor chord, 12, 10, 10. D power chord. Start in the 7, 5, 4. To the 5s, and then C chord, D minor, E minor, F minor. F power chord. Now this one's gonna go 10, 8, and 7 to 10, 8, 10. So that's a 10, 8, 8. So go back to the 10, 8, 10. So we got. And this one's going to be like 10, 8, 8, 8. So all those again, we're going to have. Okay, then we're jumping up here to a real high riff. So. So you got your 16, 5 times. 2 each on the like 19, 18, 16. We're going to go down to 14 also. So we got. And then we're gonna have kind of a rake. And that's 15, 13, 14, 13. And then we have. So that's 16s on the G string, 16 on the B string, using the 17 and the 19, so. And it ends with da 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 dum. And then 16, 14, 13, 13, 11 there. So that whole part again, we got. Okay, then we're into the solo. We got. Okay, here goes the solo, nice and slow so you can see it. And then the next part, that was 4/7 and then 4/7 on the second. And then we could also end with like kind of double notes on those 4s and 7s. And then we get into the fast runs. We're gonna have. Okay, so we got some crazy stuff going on there. We're starting on the 17s of the D and G. We're coming down 17, 15, 14 to that 15 on A. 17, 14, and then we're going to switch to 16 and 17. 14, 16, 15, 14, 14, 17 there, so. And then we're going 15, 15, 14 to that 15, 14 on the D. And back up those notes and then switch it down to the 13s. This one's going to end with 15 and 16 coming up. And then our next riff. So that was 15 to little 13 to 16 over here. 15, 13, so 15, 16, 15, 13, 13. So all together we got 1. So that comes down a little 13 and then 15, 14, 15, 13 to 12 over here. So. Okay, and then we're gonna have a thing kind of like a. So you kind of slide up from the 10s, kind of real slow, so you hear kind of a chromatic thing. And this is 17 and 18, the 17s, and then to the 15s, and do it again. And then do that slide. You could be doing that down here too, this. I I've even done it like. Okay, then we get into another fast one. We're going to start on the A string this time in the 19th fret. Okay, so this one's a bit different. We got 19, 19, 19, 17, 16. So that's 17 on top there. So the shapes are kind of the same how you're switching to major chord there. 18, 19, 16, 18, 16, 16, 16, 19 on the second string. So now we're going to go to this 17, 17, and then 19, 19, 19, 18, 19, 19, 19. So then we're going to move that down to 15. Now that we're going to jump to the 20 on those last two. So 15 and then 17s. 20 and 20, and then we're going to go. So we have, you got your 16 to 19 over here. See that? So that's, and then, so the whole thing will be. Okay, then we're gonna have. And we're back in the top. So I've also seen things in a guitar magazine. I'm using like a book for this, one of the Frank Zappa books. I'm the Hot Rats book. I'm using What I Remember from a guitar magazine I learned it in a long time ago. And I was also looking on the Songster, just try to kind of find the best kind of mix of them all. But this is also trying to cram a lot of different instruments into just one kind of guitar part. But one thing they had was kind of a, kind of could do the 7s, 9, 9, 12, 12. Kind of like a arpeggio rake kind of on the piano. And I've also seen it, the bass note switch to E for the outro instead of always that B. So, you know, do what you want with that, but it'd be like. Okay, now we're going to take our main melody up here to the octave of it. So that was 12, 14, 15, little 12, 14, 14. Okay, so this part was. Second time through. And that one you just hold that note. Now we go to the lower octave. And then you have little harmony things like. Okay, so a little chromatic there. And the lower harmony on that one is. Okay, so 11, 12, 13, 14 to the 13. And then once you do that 13 again, you go 14, 12, 11, and then 12 to 13 over here. Okay, so. Okay, and then you could end it with like a, and on that D. All right, Peaches and Regalia, Frank Zappa. Hope you dug that. This will have tabs with it. We'll talk to y'all soon.